Hello guys. Today it's these are the idioms that are mostly used and are asked in competitive exams like CSS, PPSC or some other. So first that is at reach the end of one's tether means at or reach the end of one's tether. That means very upset Ali could not answer the question because he has reached the end of his tether, right? And second, passed from pillar to post means from one place to another place. During the war, the people were passed from pillar to post. And third, that is be equal to, mean be able to. When the plane got far, the pilot was equal to land it, right? Means was able to land it. And fourth, far or from, long cry from. Be different. The food we eat at home is far from his food. Fifth, be hard up means shortage of money. He often helps the hard up students. Sixth, be ill at ease means uneasy. She was ill at ease in the market. Seventh, be in good spirit means happy. He was in good spirit on his birthday. Seventh, be in low spirit means sad. He was in low spirit at the death of his father. 9. Be in high spirit mean excited. He was in high spirit on his birthday. 10th. Be in somebody's bad books means someone is angry with you. I'm in his bad books because I didn't pay his debt. Thank you very much.